If you've come across Mageline.com and you're wondering whether it's legit or just another risky online store, you're not alone. I had the same question, so I decided to take a closer look. At first glance, Mageline.com looks like a normal shopping website. The products are displayed neatly. The prices can also look pretty tempting. And that's exactly what caught my attention. But here's the thing. A professional-looking website does not automatically mean it's trustworthy. So, what did I find? One of the first things I would check is the company information. A legit store should make it easy to find details about who runs the business. Things like a physical address, customer support, and clear contact information matter. I would also look closely at the return and refund policy. This is important. Some questionable stores have vague policies or make the process difficult for customers. Then there's customer feedback. Don't rely only on reviews shown directly on the website. Look for independent reviews and complaints. Pay attention to comments about delivery times, product quality, refunds, and customer service. Another thing I would be careful about is the pricing. If Mageline.com is offering products at prices that seem unbelievably cheap, take a step back. Huge discounts can sometimes be a warning sign. That doesn't automatically mean the website is a scam, but it does mean you should do more research before paying. My advice? If you decide to try Mageline.com, use a payment method that gives you buyer protection. Avoid sending money through methods that offer little or no protection. So, is Mageline.com a scam or legit? Based on what I found, I would not rush into placing a large order. There are enough things worth checking first.